If you have ever wanted a full-size SUV that can carve through sand dunes on Friday and still turn heads outside a five-star hotel on Saturday night, then stick around, because today we are diving deep into one of the wildest performance SUVs on the planet, the Nissan Patrol Nismo. This is the flagship, high-performance version of Nissan's legendary Patrol nameplate, a vehicle with roots going all the way back to 1951, and this latest Y63 generation Nismo is arguably the most serious one yet. So grab a coffee, because we are covering the exterior, the interior, the performance, and yes, the pricing, all in one video. Let's start with the way this thing looks, because there is no mistaking a Patrol Nismo for a regular Patrol. The front end features Nissan's signature double C-shape LED headlights wrapped around a bold, blacked-out V-motion grille, giving it a much more aggressive, motorsport-inspired face compared to the standard model. Nissan says the design language actually draws inspiration from Formula E, and you can see that influence in the sharper creases and the more purposeful stance. A redesigned front bumper isn't just for show either. It channels cooler air directly onto the brakes, which Nissan claims drops disc temperatures by around 6% during hard driving. Around the back, you get layered air diffusers that aren't just aesthetic, they actually improve high-speed stability. Then there are the Nismo-specific touches, the red accent striping, unique badging, a more pronounced exhaust note, and massive forged alloy wheels that can go up to 22 inches. It is still unmistakably a Patrol underneath, a genuinely huge SUV stretching over 5 meters long, but every panel has been sharpened to say performance first.
Now step inside, and the Patrol Nismo does not disappoint. The cabin blends the rugged, go-anywhere character Patrol has always been known for with a noticeably more premium and sporty edge. Expect heavily bolstered sport seats trimmed in leather with contrast stitching and embroidered Nismo logos, a thick, flat-bottomed steering wheel, and aluminum pedals that immediately set the tone the moment you climb in. The dashboard carries over the Patrol's spacious, 3-row layout, comfortably seating up to 8 people, with the option of a panoramic sunroof that makes the already generous cabin feel even more open. Technology is front and center too, with a large digital instrument cluster paired with a wide infotainment touchscreen, upgraded sound system options, and a full suite of driver assistance features. It is a cabin built to feel special, without losing the practicality that has made the Patrol a favorite for big families and serious off-roaders for decades. Of course, the real star of the show is what is happening under the hood. The Patrol Nismo is powered by Nissan's VR35DDTT, a specially tuned 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, hand-assembled at Nissan's Iwaki plant in Japan, complete with a distinctive red engine cover and a commemorative plate. In its most potent Middle East tuning, this engine produces up to 495 horsepower and 700 Newton-meters of torque in sport mode, making it the most powerful version of this engine Nissan builds anywhere in the world. Power goes through a recalibrated 9-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, and the suspension has been retuned with performance dampers to sharpen handling without completely sacrificing the Patrol's famous off-road ability. You still get multiple terrain modes for sand, mud, and rock crawling, but flip it into sport mode and this nearly 3-ton SUV genuinely picks up its pace, with a more aggressive exhaust note to match. It is a strange and honestly brilliant combination. A vehicle that can tackle a dune 1 hour and feel composed on a fast highway sweeper the next. So what does all of this cost? Pricing for the Patrol Nismo varies quite a bit depending on the market, since it remains primarily focused on the Middle East, where it has been sold for about a decade now. In that region, the Nismo sits at the very top of the Patrol lineup, positioned well above the standard Platinum and Pro 4X trims, reflecting its status as the performance flagship. If you are in the United States, Nissan's equivalent model is badged as the Armada Nismo, which uses a slightly detuned version of the same engine producing around 460 horsepower, and pricing there sits at the premium end of the Armada range. As always, exact figures shift depending on your region, available options, and current exchange rates, so if you are seriously considering one, your best move is to check with your local Nissan dealer for the most accurate, up-to-date pricing. So that is the 2027 Nissan Patrol Nismo in a nutshell: bold new styling, a genuinely luxurious and sporty interior, a seriously potent twin-turbo V6, and a price tag that firmly places it as the halo model of the Patrol family. Let me know down in the comments whether you would pick the Nismo over the standard Patrol. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more car reviews just like this one.